Lumens, your reliable partner.
In this video, we will show you how to set up Lumens Camera Control software. We will then give you an overview of the interface. This video is broken down into 6 steps. Step 1. What you need. All you need is Lumens cameras, a computer, and the camera controller software. Go to the download section of the Lumens website. Search Camera Controller and download the installation file. Follow the instructions to install the software on your computer. Step 2. Log in and create your account. Open the camera controller software. Type in the default username and password, which are both admin. Create a user account. Then log in again with your username and password. If a new version of the camera controller software is available, the update prompt will pop out when you log in. Step 3. Software interface. There are 3 main pages: Camera Control, System Management, and Software Settings. Step 4. Search Devices and Group Management. In the Device tab, click on the search icon to discover devices on your local network. You can also add the devices manually by clicking the Add icon. Now select the device you want to control. From here you can also edit or remove cameras from the list. You can control multiple devices and use the control icons to power on, go to standby, reboot or reset selected cameras. In the Group tab, you can create and add multiple devices to a group. Type in a name for the group and click the plus icon to create the new group. Select the group and click Edit to add or remove cameras. Select the devices you want to include and click the arrow button to move them into the group. Click Save to store the settings. Now you can filter the devices in Camera page according to the group they belong to. Step 5. Camera Control. In the Camera page, you can view and control the cameras. You can set the preview layout and filter the sources by group and device. Click on the camera source you would like to control and it will switch to the single layout. In the PTZF, you can control the position, focus, and zoom. In the preset, you can call and set presets. It supports up to 255 presets, which you can change the pages by the drop-down menu. In the tracking control, you can enable and disable the tracking and set tracking parameters. Step 6. User setting and version update. In the User tab, you can check user accounts. You can also add and edit accounts or delete users. In the Settings page, you can update the software version and change to your preferred language setting. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.